You know what's funny? I started this channel because of this piece of metal. Coming up! What's up guys, my name is Denis and welcome to my channel. On this channel I will do tech reviews and vlogs. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I started this channel because I wanted to review Zhiyun, Crane Plus. Let's fast forward all of the unnecessary chat and let's see what's in the box. In this durable box for gimbal, we can find, first thing, pink grip tape and user guide. Most of gimbals on the market don't come with important part, and that's this little tripod. When we got apart this little tripod, first thing that we need to take out of the box is battery handle and screw it on the tripod. After that, we have two batteries that can handle around 12 hours of operating with this gimbal. And now it's time for the gimbal itself. We take it out of the box and we simply screw it on the lower part of the gimbal. Then we have two more screws. One is for the camera itself and the second one is for the camera lenses in case if we use some bigger and heavier lenses. Just like that. There you go. And last parts in the box that we can find are battery charger, some control cables for Sony cameras and Panasonic. Zhiyun, please make longer cables for Panasonic cameras because G85 cameras have the remote control on the left side, not on the right side. And as last, USB cable for charging batteries in the charger. Let's move to specifications. Crane Plus can be loaded up to 2.5 kilograms. Every time when we press mode button once, it changes modes to pan following mode. It's default mode when you turn on the gimbal. In this mode, gimbal follows your panning movements. Lock mode. In this mode, you have complete control over the gimbal with joystick. FPV mode allows camera to roll left and right to maximum angle of 45 degrees. And when we are in any mode and we double press mode button, we go into following mode. But with one press again, we go into previous mode. And the last one, when we press mode button 3 times, tada! Selfie mode. Okay, it's time to balance camera on this gimbal and to do some test shots. And guys, this is my first ever outside shooting, so I hope it will be good. And before I forget to mention, Crane Plus also offers moving time lapses. Now let's see how it works. What do you like on the Crane Plus? Let me know in the comments below. And see ya in the next video. Wait! Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Peace!